Hello guys, in today's video we have the FOSSiBOT F113, the world's first rugged smartphone equipped with a 50 meters range infrared night vision camera, literally sees what you can't, and combined with a tough shell and a huge 20,000 mAh battery. And to make things even more interesting, on the top of the phone is a large, bright LED flashlight, a real spotlight that can illuminate the road up to 15 meters in front of you and which literally replaces a flashlight. All in all, the F113 for all of you who want power, reliability and prepared tool that will not let you down when you need the most, especially in the darkness. For more details, check out this FOSSiBOT F113 video review. Let's start with the boxing. When you open the lid, the first thing that catches your eye is the phone itself, massive with the thick edges with metal frames. When you pick it up, it's almost clear to you that the F113 is designed as a work tool, not a fashion accessory. In addition to the device itself, the package includes the basic accessories, a 33-watt fast charger, USB-C cable, user manual instructions, and a strap with screws and a small screwdriver. Everything is packed precisely without unnecessary decoration, simple but enough to cover everything you need right from the start. Now we got this elastic strap that we can install on the smartphone with screws to make it even easier to hold this phone with one hand. This elastic strap can also be mounted on the opposite side of the phone, making it suitable for both the right-handed and the left-handed users. When you hold it in your hand, the F113 feels heavy, cool and solid, like a tool from the future. There is clearly of purpose in design to survive drops, resist rain, withstand dust and withstand impacts. The back of the phone is dominated by the octagonal camera module with a silver frame insert that looks very modern and effective. The edges of the phone are thick, the rubber pads are designed to absorb shocks, every detail has been carefully designed to withstand brutal conditions. Now on the right side of the metal frame we'll find two perforated metal volume buttons, below which is a power button that also serves as a quick fingerprint reader. At the bottom of the phone you'll find USB-C charging port sealed with the waterproof rubber flap. The left side houses a SIM tray, easily accessible without tools, supporting two SIMs as well as microSD card or one SIM card. After that comes this red shortcut button which can trigger 3 different functions depending on whether you single press, double press or hold it, ideal for quick launching the camera, messages or SOS call, or you can customize whatever you need. Right next to it there is this orange button with the flashlight icon that intuitively turns on this powerful 50-meter long range flashlight located on the top of the smartphone. So one of the most spectacular features of this F113 is this integrated LED flashlight on the top of this device. This is not just a small lamp, this is a spotlight, a powerful beam of light that inherits the spirit of a real long-range handheld flashlight. When you need to illuminate a path, a walkway or a workspace, this spotlight makes all the difference. The light is clean and relatively focused, providing a sense of control and safety. It can be lit in 3 intensities, as well as with the option of a SOS warning light. But the light magic doesn't stop here. On the back of the F113 there is a RGB LED strip that pulsates to the rhythm of the music or changes when notifications arrive. When you play a song, the phone syncs with the rhythm, the backlight up flashes brights when message arrives. Subtle light patterns provide a visual signal without the need to constantly check the screen. This combination of practicality and aesthetics make this phone unique in a world of rugged phones. It's not only durable, but also has a soul. Each of these lighting effects can be personalized with the applications according to your own wishes and expectations, with the strength, color, intensity, and the mode of light signals. The FOSSiBOT F113 stereo loudspeaker system reaches around 110 decibels, which makes it one of the louder rugged phones on the market. This speaker is designed to work in noisy environments, so it remains clear and powerful even outdoors or on construction site. Now when it comes to camera, the F113 did not skimp, but did not overdo either. The main camera uses a 50 megapixel Sony IMX766 sensor, which provides a very good photo quality. Colors are accurate, details are clearly preserved, and dynamic range is solid. Photos taken during the day look professional without too much saturation with natural tones. But the real star is the night vision infrared camera. 64 megapixel OmniVision sensor paired with the powerful 3-watt infrared light. In the dark, without light source, the phone managed to see 3 outlines, object contours, silhouettes that the human eye would have difficulty detecting. The images are black and white, but surprisingly clean, and the focus works quickly and accurately. Video recording in these conditions is also possible at a 4K resolution, which is a rarity in this category. This camera is not a gimmick, it's functionality that changes the way you can use your phone at night. There is also a 5 megapixel macro camera, which, although not the main assets, can be used to capture very close details. All the 3 cameras are housed in a robust model that visually resembles mechanical parts and metal frames. Industrial design all contribute to the impression of solidity and readiness. On the front of the F113 is a door with the large 6.78-inch FHD Plus IPS 2K display with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels. At first glance, it seems like a surface made for viewing, working and interacting. It's big enough to feel the difference from the average phone, but not so bulky that you can control it with one hand, at least with a little adjustment. On the top there is a selfie, 32 megapixel front camera, works great, portraits are clear and the FHD video is stable and sharp. The screen supports 120Hz refresh rate, the image is sharp, the colors are moderately vibrant, just enough so that it doesn't look artificial but not boring. Whether you're watching your favorite Netflix movie, playing graphic-intensive games, or simply browsing the web, everything looks incredibly smooth and natural. The 120Hz refresh rate further contributes to the fluidity to animations, making everyday tasks such as scrolling to the apps or playing games a more pleasant experience. One of the main advantages of the screen is also clarity outdoors, maybe not like an AMOLED but still very good. IPS technology ensures wide viewing angles, while the brightness is high enough for the text and images to be visible without straining the eyes. Hours and hours spent on YouTube videos become a real visual experience with the vivid colors and rich black depths offered by its large 6.78-inch screen. At the heart of the F113 beats the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 5G processor capable of balancing performance and energy efficiency. In everyday use, the phone is fluid, it opens easily applications, quickly switching between them, handles map views, videos and mobile tasks without feeling like it's being forced. The RAM capacity is large, 12GB of physical, with the possibility of expanding through the virtual RAM up to 36GB, which means that multitasking is not any problem. You can have a lot of applications open, navigation, music, messages, and everything works beautifully. The system does not gasp, does not overheat, does not show signs of a weakness. Along with that, there is also 256GB of internal storage, expandable up to 2TB with microSD card. Such as combination enables comfortable everyday use and a pleasant experience with games or multimedia. In games, while not a hardcore gaming machine, the F113 delivers solid performance. Graphically demanding games run smoothly, and thanks to the device's massiveness, the phone stays cooler for longer than it could have expected. The phone comes with Android 15. The version we tested is very close to the stock experience, without cluttered interface and without unnecessary software ballast. The interface is fast, light and intuitive. In addition, FOSSiBOT has included several practical tools that you can really use in field situations: compass, barometer. Everything is designed to help you, not to slow you. There is also AI functions album assistant, but they are discreet and not to dominate the experience. Everything works smoothly with the feeling that the software is there to serve, not to complicate. The F113 covers all modern connectivity standards: 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC and the satellite position systems. In practice, the GPS is precise. The signal is very stable even in forest or in densely populated areas between buildings, thanks to the combination of GNSS systems. The 20,000 mAh battery is what makes it the F113 true giant in autonomy. This capacity is not there to be number on paper, it is realistically winner. During tasks, the phone withstands days of intensive work. According to the official data, it can withstand 2000 hours of standby or 163 hours of calls, as well as 35 hours of continuous video viewing. 33V charging is not lightning fast, but it's fast enough to restore this large portion of the capacity in few hours. More than that, the F113 supports 10V reverse charging, that is, you can use it as a power bank for other devices. The F113 is IP68 and IP69K certified, which means its resistance to water, dust and even high pressure washing. There is not just a declaration, you feel it every time you pick it up. Rubber parts, solid case, everything is designed to survive shocks, falls, vibrations and extreme conditions. It is also tested according to the MIL-STD 810H standard, which means it has passed tests for resistance to temperatures, drops and other military conditions. When you hold it in your hand, you know it's not just a heavy-duty device, you know it's built to handle real loads. When you all add it up, design, display, light tools, performance, cameras, battery and durability, the FOSSiBOT F113 is more than just a rugged phone. It's a tool for people who don't just look at aesthetics but also look for functionality, reliability and longevity. This phone is built like armor, but things like a smart device with infrared camera, powerful flashlight, LED lightning effects, and a battery that lasts for days. If you want a phone that won't let you down, FOSSiBOT F113 is definitely a worthy option. You will find it at the official purchase link right below this video. Don't wait too long, the special promo offer won't last forever and stocks is limited. That's all for today's review, thanks for watching and we'll see you soon in the next video review. Until then, bye!